Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track, which is now an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth and USB. This is out of a 69 Mustang, and the first thing I'll say is that on this type of unit only, where these buttons are above the tuning dial, they're really thin plastic. A lot of these are broken off. Of course, nobody makes those anymore. So I make replacement buttons out of aluminum, and that's what I've done with this radio. So these buttons are virtually unbreakable because they're aluminum, and you would actually have to try to break them to break them. I'll give you a closer look at that at the end of the video. For now, let's go ahead and test the electronics. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get.
Access agreement acceptable to the town.
And while we have it on talk radio, let's check our balance and fader functions.
With public health experts.
So that the town residents
original balance control, all the way left,
public health officials
all the way right,
to their health from uncontrolled
left,
exposure to mine and smelter waste, residuals.
Those experts would come from the University of Arizona.
And since this is now a 4-speaker radio, we also have a virtual front-rear fader. I'm going to demonstrate that right now.
The committee is expected to address the
Let's
action
get our
plan
balance
during its meeting at 6 to 9 town council chambers.
Front-rear fader.
The Iron Springs Trailhead is closed today, so public access can be improved.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Works Department crews are conducting work on this project, which involves replacing the deteriorated pavement apron that provides access to the trailhead from Iron Springs Road. This will improve roadway safety for recreationists and drivers.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
And look for alternate
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. We don't need this stuff anymore. Let's make sure the USB stick plays my radio commercial.
Themselves and drivers on Iron Springs. It provides access to the spend space and trail system and the 54-mile.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Alrighty.
I'm Lindsay Draper.
Okay, let's go over to FM, which on this unit we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. And I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
Habla del bien, del mal con toda claridad y nos invita.
If I'm wrong,
I will.
Wake up.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Breakfast.
Till the day I found the answer to my prayer. He said to me, "Fool, it's got a one-way out whenever I'm around."
Okay, blank spot there.
You'll take your heart, thinking it's a joke, and break it apart.
Okay, another song. Okay, we're going to switch tracks automatically here. There we go. There's our automatic track. Alrighty. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. So that completes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry. Oh, I promised I was going to show you the tuner button. So let's do that real quick. Okay, now these are basically, I'll just hold it up to the, let's see, get a better, different camera angle here. Alrighty, so here's my replacement button. As you can see, they look pretty decent. They're basically aluminum painted black, and it's just a row of button. And then on the bottom, I don't paint the bottom. I leave that the blasted surface to make it easier to pull out, give you a little bit better grip on that. So that's what I can do to set a broken push button. It's an additional $149 to replace these buttons with my aluminum buttons. They're not direct push-on replacements. They have to be fabricated onto the tuning shafts. So I can't sell them unless you're willing to do the fabrication yourself, which I wouldn't advise it because I've got a lot of practice doing this now, and I can probably make it come out better. So anyway, this comes from Dean in Cleveland, Tennessee, and thank you very much, Dean, for your business. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.